Hello everyone, welcome to Tong's Real World Data. This is Tong Wang. In my previous video, I showed you how to recode letter scale items to transform the string data into numerical data. Today, I will introduce another scenario, how to recode multiple choice items in R. In my sample data, I have 8 multiple choice items assessing learning performance. Participants with the correct answer get a score of 1. All other responses receive a score of 0. Since the multiple choice items have different keys for each item, we have to use the mutate function to recode the items individually. Within the mutate function, we only need to specify the correct answer and assign the value to 1. And we will use a very useful argument here, which is .default to take care of all other situations. Now let's check the output data. As you can see, the data in the column of FL1 changed from string to binary. Next, I'm gonna recode the remaining multiple choice items using a similar code. Instead of creating a new dataset for each step of recoding, I use the pipe operator to pass the output of one recoding code to the next. Here, I copy the codes from my PDF lecture note. Let's run the code and check the resulting data by viewing it. As you can see, we have successfully recoded all the multiple choice items from string data to binary data. I'm gonna save the recoded data as an R file called mydata.recoded. In this video, I showed you how to recode multiple choice items by using the functions of mutate and recode. I introduced a useful argument .default to take care of all incorrect answers. In the next video, I will show you how to calculate internal reliability for your variables in R. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.